Good morning. Welcome back to the saw shop. I've had a few people ask me how I tune chainsaws, and I do a little bit of both. I tune the ear and back it up with a tack, or vice versa. I usually have a ballpark range I'm looking for in my ported chainsaws, and then I go off a sound as how it sounds after I get it kind of where I want it. But let me crank it up and let's idle at 28.20. That's about where I want it. Alright, that's the process. The saw started, I poured this thing, that first hit was over 14,000 RPMs, which I knew was too much. I started going down, until if you notice the time before last, it was trying to four stroke just a little bit. It got to about 12,900 and it was kind of fluttery a little bit. So I adjusted it back just a little bit, and that last run wound up like 13,125. And I liked the way that sounded to my ear. And so that's where we're gonna send it back to the customer, 13,125. And idles are at 28.20 to 28.50. So let's crank it back up. There you go. That's how I do a chainsaw.